Hello everyone, it's Martin here, and today we're going to talk about a really important topic for Forex traders: major versus minor currency pairs. If you've ever wondered what makes a currency pair major or minor, and which ones you should trade, this video's for you. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So first up, we've got major currency pairs. These are the most traded pairs in the Forex market. They always include the US dollar, USD on one side. Some examples are EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, USDCHF. Now why are these called majors? Because they have the highest trading volume, lowest spreads, and most liquidity. That means you get smoother price movement, faster trade execution, and usually more predictable trends. These pairs are great for beginners because they react strongly to global economic news and are less volatile compared to exotic pairs. Next up, we have the minor currency pairs, also known as cross pairs. These pairs don't include the US dollar in them, but they still involve major global currencies. Some popular examples include EURO-GBP, EURO-JPY, and GBP-JPY. Now, minor pairs usually have lower liquidity and slightly higher spreads, but they can offer more trading opportunities, especially when the USD market is quiet. They also show the strength of one economy directly against another. For example, EURO-GBP tells you how strong the euro is against the pound without the US dollar involved. So the big question is, which one should you trade? If you're a beginner, major pairs are the best place to start. They're easier to analyze and the spreads are tighter. Once you gain experience and want to explore more setups or correlations, minor pairs can help diversify your strategy and find unique trade opportunities. At the end of the day, both have their advantages. It all depends on your trading style and risk appetite. So there you have it, the difference between major and minor currency pairs. Majors are all about high liquidity and stability, while minors give you variety and cross-market opportunities. You can find tools and indicators for both types of pairs on our website forexpip.com, where we create powerful EAs and trading solutions for every kind of trader. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which currency pair you trade the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.